What if you want to share a document with colleagues online, but still have handy access to the document on your desktop? If you have a newer computer, it comes with a OneDrive app. With older computers, you can download and install the app. Let's go to our File Manager by clicking the yellow folder, or File Explorer. And here, along with this PC, our C drive, our shared drives, we'll find OneDrive. If you haven't used it before, it'll ask you to set it up. So you set up the email that's associated with your OneDrive. And if you're using Office 365, it'll be your work email. Enter the email address and sign in. Enter the password associated with your account. Click Next. This is showing what's already on my OneDrive online, and it's asking if I want to also see this on my PC. So I'll leave it checked and I'll click Next. And this is just some information on how I can use OneDrive. Now that it's set up, or now that it will be set up, I can drag and drop, and I can share files. And here's information on the mobile app, because you can use this on your mobile apps as well. Okay, so let's go to our OneDrive account. As you can see, it has my folders and all of my files. And we can see that we're online, even though it feels like we're on our computer, by these green circles with the check marks. So if I open a document here, I get the full functionality of Word, but as I work, I'm saving online. And you can tell when you're in Word, if you look up here at the top left, you see the save icon. It has these little circles here. Well, not really a circle, but curved arrows. That means that it's saving online instead of to your hard drive. Now, when you're using Excel, you won't see these circular arrows, but you'll still be working online. And when you save, it'll be saving online. What if you work on the same document often? Instead of going to OneDrive and then finding your document, you have a couple of options. You can right-click on the document, select Create Shortcut. Notice it created a shortcut here at the bottom of my list. Then I can left-click, drag, and drop it to my desktop. So now if I go to Desktop, I can see the document there, and I could also see it on my desktop. Here's the document, and I can double-tap it from my desktop to open it. Here's the document, and we can still see that we're working online by the circular arrows on the save icon.